In a nutshell, this is what it would look like mounting a screen, this Monduo 16 Pro, to a 16-inch laptop. That's pretty freaking sick. Hey, what up folks? In today's video, I'll be doing an unboxing of the Monduo 16-inch Pro Duo display. This is two dual monitors that'll essentially allow you the ability to connect up to your laptop so that you can have three displays when you're traveling or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, see what all comes in the box, and go from there. When I open this up, I have some styrofoam, then I have the actual case inside. Okay, so a box within a box. I'll go ahead and move this out the way, and here we go. It features a 16-inch display. Both monitors run QHD at 144 Hertz, so that's 2560 by 1600. All right, that is a glimpse of what this would look like on a laptop, a MacBook in particular. That's pretty clean. So just slide it out there. All right, and if I open this up, okay, nice foam on the inside to prevent this from damage while it was shipping, so that's really nice. And thank you for choosing Monduo. Here in the middle here is the monitor setup itself. Wow, you know, this is smaller than I thought it was gonna be. I looked at some reviews online, and online it always seemed a bit thicker, but this actually isn't as thick as I thought it'd be. Don't get me wrong, this is thicker than most laptops, but I thought it was gonna be larger than that for some reason. All right, and let's see what else you get. You get a quick start guide, okay, explaining all of the different ways in which you can connect the cords that are included to the Monduo display. And here we go. Got cables that are branded Monduo. So that's pretty cool. That's a nice touch. All right, so this one's a mini HDMI to HDMI port to plug into your laptop. This cable is a USB-C to USB-C. On this hand, I have another, a longer, it looks like USB-C to USB-C cable. And they really packed this with some USB-C to USB-C cables. I'm not mad at it though. All right. So sweet. And then to even be an adapter. Okay, so looks like an extra adapter in case you needed two right angle USB-C ports. That's nice, thoughtful that they included as many ports as they did. But yeah, I'll go ahead and open this up, get a sense of what this looks like. Which side is it supposed to go on? Okay, I can see from the back, based on the kickstand, gonna open up like this. Take out this first display, and I believe you're supposed to make it a bit longer. Yep, so you can take out the second one, and then boom, this is what you're working with. Let's see how sturdy this hinge is. Of course, I don't have this mounted on anything just yet, but okay. This is what we're working with so far. I gotta say, the displays on here are a bit smaller than I thought they would be. I don't know why I thought 16 inches was extremely huge for some reason, but yeah, okay. So nice there. This can stretch even further to accommodate bigger laptops there. Just a little spring action, it looks like. But yeah. If we take a look at the sides here, I can see that each of these displays, I might have to stretch this a bit. All right, I think I put the other one in first. Yeah, I can see that each of the displays come with an HDMI port and two USB-C ports. And here I can see the side has it as well. Now these USB-C ports could be used for either charging it, if you're using it in the fashion of having an HDMI cord going to your laptop for display, and then a USB-C port going to it for power. Or you could potentially utilize just one of the USB-C ports if your laptop supports it, push the image from your laptop to this, as well as provide the monitor itself with some power. So pretty cool, pretty sleek, pretty compact. Overall, I gotta say that's pretty nice. One of the things I was curious about is what type of laptop sleeve bag would this fit in? And so I wasn't sure to order a 16-inch or a 17-inch, but I ended up going with a 17-inch. So we'll see how this fits. And off the bat, I can see that what I ordered is absolutely way too big. Yeah, I mean, this pretty much swallows the Monduo case. But who knows? It might be the right size. Maybe a 16-inch case would have been too small, but we'll see once I put it inside. How does it look? This is just the Amazon basic laptop sleeve for a 17.3-inch device. Yeah, for the Monduo, it holds fairly well, though I have to say there is a ton of space that is left over. So I might have been okay going with the 16-inch model. I don't think the Monduo is actually that thick that it wouldn't fit in the 16-inch sleeve. So I'll have to order that and see how that holds up. But yeah, there you have it. Pretty lightweight. This isn't heavy. Since they chose to go with like a plastic material, it doesn't feel like it's a cheap plastic. It's a good quality plastic. But yeah, pretty lightweight. Lighter than some laptops these days. One of the things that I'll go ahead and test out as to why I even bought this laptop in the first place is I wanted to be able to test this triple monitor screen by Monduo. So all I do in order to install this is open it up. So slide that. This one comes open and I can access this other one. And essentially, I can attach 2 additional screens to the side of this monitor. So I'll go ahead and tighten this up around the monitor screen and slide this down some. It looks like that's where that stops at. I think, yeah, that's because the hinge that's on this laptop device. So currently, this is what the triple monitor setup looks like. So let me actually get this plugged up and see what it looks like once it's turned on. So out of the Monduo box, I'm grabbing the 2 USB-C cables. Since I have one that's on the right-hand side here, I'll utilize this one. Well, actually, this one's actually closer. So I'll utilize this port to connect directly to the monitor. And then I'll plug the second port around the back end and find the USB-C port. And it looks like that monitor is powering up as well. All right, so it looks like for the second display, that USB-C in the back is only sending out power, so I'll also need to connect the HDMI port as well. So I'll feed this cable through the back, and let me actually just turn it a bit this way so that you can actually get an idea of what I'm looking at over here. So go ahead and plug in this port right here, and there we go. So now on all 3 of these displays, I have access to all of this real estate. And I know it's really hard to see from over there. I'm gonna try to back this up. In a nutshell, this is what it would look like mounting a screen, this Monduo 16 Pro, to a 16-inch laptop. That's pretty freaking sick. I'm gonna go ahead and place this on the desk so that I don't break anything. And let's see. Yeah, as I move this back, it does rise up a bit. I do notice that. But overall, this is how these displays look. And this is the real estate that you would have to work with. Not bad. This is a pretty cool experience. But yeah, see how easy it is to disassemble this. All right, take out that one port here and the one port over here. Go ahead and take this off of the laptop from around the back, and I will fold it all in. So actually not that hard to disassemble it. Pack up your cables and you are good to go. So I'll do some experimenting as to how this setup feels outside of me thinking about how it would feel, and see how that holds up. And I'll post a video later on as to how this has impacted my workflow, the pros and the cons, and so forth. But as always, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did and are curious about checking out any of the devices listed in this video, I will have affiliate links listed in the description for you to check out. As always, thanks for viewing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.